as a partner of KPMG here in the Isle of Man, but also head of insurance for the Crown Dependencies. I've been working with captives in multiple jurisdictions for nearly 2 decades now.
I'm the managing director of one of the leading law firms on the Isle of Man. Why the Isle of Man for captives? The island has a mature and established captive insurance industry going well back over 30 years. It's self-governed, and the Isle of Man was one of the first European captive domiciles to enact insurance legislation. Because of this, it quickly established itself as a preferred jurisdiction for government-owned captives. So Simon, in your experience, what type of business tend to set up captives on the Isle of Man?
Any business that sets up a captive needs to be relatively large in order to justify some of the costs. But the actual global reach is really quite significant. Yes, we can see the UK most days when the sun is shining. And so there is obviously naturally a UK bias. But actually, I think over 10% of the captive portfolio is in South Africa or South African parented groups. So it's truly, I've got clients that are in Japan, in the US, worldwide. So I think it's a very much a global affair. So, what is the scale of the industry in the Isle of Man, Mark?
Currently, the captive industry has assets under management, I think well over 6 billion, with annual premiums over 1 billion. So that, coupled with an agile and proactive regulator, now means that provided you meet the regulations, you can set up a captive insurance company within a number of weeks on the island. The Isle of Man has a very active ecosystem that supports the captive insurance market. In particular, they have a wealth of talent at an executive director level that can be called upon by any new entity that sets up on island.